Okay, let's look at the homework 1.2, 1.3, problem number 8. Right. So we have the graph of the function y equals square root of 5x minus x squared. Right. So this is the original function. Right. Then we want to come up with the equation for this guy. Right, so it looks like a few transformation is applied to the original guy to get this picture. Right, so let's look at that. All right, so here's the original guy. So this is the original. Now, original equation. All right, then what kind of change do we need to make? All right, so it looks like the whole thing is shifted. Let's see, so start from 0 and it's moved to -7. So if you list the transformations, alright, so first one would be, I would probably shift it to the left. So I'll use a lazy notation, shift to the left and 7 units, because it used to be 0 here, but it's shifted to the left to -7. Right, and the next step would be, once you get that, then it looks like it's upside down. So there's going to be a reflection about the x-axis. Alright, so that will flip it over. Right, then it would look something like this. Alright, then you have to shift it down 2 units to get this picture. So you have a third one is shift down by 2 units. All right, so what's the equation? All right, so here's the original one. So in order to shift to the left 7 units, we need to add 7 right by x. So this is going to be, equation is going to be y is equal to, right, square root of 5 times quantity. All right, so right by x, so inside the parentheses, so you have a x. Right, you want to go to the left, so you add 7 there, minus, here's another x, so we put the x plus 7, so quantity x plus 7 squared. Right, so that's after the first transformation. Right, after the second transformation, this is an easy one. All you really have to do is multiply the whole function by -1. So you put the negative sign in front. So y is equal to negative. Right, it's exactly the same thing. So let's be lazy here. I'm gonna just copy. All right, then I'm gonna just put it right here. All right. Alright, then the last step would be after the third transformation. Right, all you have to do is subtract 2 right at the end. So it's going to be y is equal to, right, and you take this this guy, copy, and you just need to subtract 2 from there. Right, so this is the equation that we're looking for. Right, so let's type it in. All right, so the equation was, let's see, y equals negative and the square root of, right, parenthesis, let's see, was it 5 parenthesis x plus 7 minus quantity x plus 7 again, raise it to the 2 squared, and then right at the end minus 2. Right, so let's see if this is correct. Submit for testing. All right, looks like it came back and it is correct. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.